Happy Monday, V-Team and Trackies. Thanks so much for joining us here for Up to Speed Live. I am so excited to bring you all some great news to kickstart this work week. Now today, I'm coming to you all from a Walmart store in Rogers, Arkansas. And team, here is a neat fact. This is actually the town in which Walmart first opened its doors right down the street back in 1962. I mean, how cool is that? And we're here today to share that today Straight Talk Wireless and Walmart officially announced Straight Talk Home Internet, our new prepaid wireless home internet brand. You know, having access to high-speed internet is a necessity for almost every life stage in today's world. And this new no-contract offering makes higher speed broadband more affordable and attainable. Now, Straight Talk Home Internet is powered by Verizon's award-winning 5G and 4G LTE networks, and it's available exclusively at Walmart for just $45 a month. The router, which can connect multiple devices, costs $99 and can be self-installed. Now, I'm so excited to be joined today by Angie Klein. Angie, it's so great to be with you again.
Yeah, you too.
Amazing. So can you tell us more about this exciting announcement today?
I'd love to. I'm super happy to be down here. In Arkansas with you. And this new product is a testament to the power of our partnership with Walmart and the amazing teams across TracFone, Verizon, and Walmart who work together to bring it to market, helping us deliver on coverage and access for all. You know, Straight Talk Home Internet is just the latest example of Verizon's leadership expansion in the prepaid space since our acquisition of TracFone. And it supports a core pillar of Verizon's approach to responsible business to ensure digital inclusion for everyone. This product will be available exclusively at nearly 2,000 Walmart stores across the country over the coming weeks. And Straight Talk Home Internet makes high-speed broadband even more accessible with no credit checks, no contracts, and unlimited data for just $45 a month. Plus, consumers participating in FCC's Affordable Connectivity Program, or ACP, can leverage their benefits for this service. So you can grab it and go and set it up yourself easily. So this launch is something that's kind of hard not to be excited about.
Yeah, oh my gosh, I'm excited, and it sounds like it's going to be able to help so many people, which I'm really, really excited about that. Now, team, I'm also joined today by Mirdad Akbar, who leads the wireless service businesses at Walmart. Mirdad, thank you so much for being with us today. I appreciate it. This is such a lovely store that we're in. You know, can you tell me a little bit about the background of what this means for Walmart and how it's going to help customers across America?
Of course. Well, first of all, Angie and Jen, thanks so much for visiting us here in Rogers, Arkansas, this beautiful Walmart store. Really appreciate it. Our mission at Walmart is pretty simple. We strive to help our customers save money so that they can live better. Straight Talk Home Internet is a perfect example of our mission coming to life. This product will provide our customers with access to high-speed, reliable internet at an affordable cost that will connect them to resources and opportunities that would otherwise be out of reach. We're very grateful for the partnership with your team and are excited to see this come to fruition. Thanks again for being here.
No, thank you again, Mirdad. This is all so important. Now, Angie, what else can you tell us today about our partnership with Walmart and more about this exciting news?
Yeah, well, we appreciate everything, Mirdad, you and your team and the entire team at Walmart have done to bring Straight Talk Home Internet to market. You know, your mission at Walmart to help people save money and live better perfectly aligns with our focus on bringing affordable quality home broadband to more people. And we are just getting started.
Amazing, we're just getting started, and I really feel that this is the perfect partnership for us. So how can the V-Team and Trackies help with all of this?
Well, V-Teamers and Trackies, get out there and tell everyone about Straight Talk Home Internet. It's available at nearly 2,000 Walmarts nationwide, as well as online at walmart.com and straighttalk.com.
All right, team. Well, you heard Angie, you heard Mirdad. We have our marching orders in place. Let's get out there. Let's spread this important news. I want to thank you both again so much for being with us here today. And of course, the V-Team and Trackies and everyone who's tuning in for this exciting announcement. I hope you all have a wonderful rest of your Mondays. And Angie, Mirdad, how about you guys help me close out this episode? Let's do it together. Are you ready?
Ready.
All right. Until next time, you're up to speed.